data analysis and sufficiency. So under data analysis part, you may expect questions based on pie chart, table graph, bar graph, table and bar, and also the questions like caselet. Okay, and also line graph. So under these topics, you can expect questions. So almost 6 topics are there, right? 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6. So almost 6 topics are there. Under 6 topics, you can expect questions. Okay, pie chart, table, bar graph, table and bar graph, caselet and line graph type. Okay, and see, under these part, you can expect 30 questions minimum. That is 5 big type questions are based on data analysis part, and under data sufficiency, you can expect 10 questions. So 25 to 30 questions you can expect based on data analysis part, which are based on pie chart, table graph, bar graph, caselet, line graph and all. So from under each type, they will ask you 5 questions based on that. In total, 6 graph type questions you can expect under data analysis. And what is a graph type? See, it is nothing but they'll give you college data or company data in the form of pie chart or table, and they'll ask you to analyze. The questions followed by the pie chart or line graph or bar graph is based on percentage. Mainly, it involves the concepts like percentage, ratio, average, and partnership based concepts. And also few concepts you should know, profit and loss. So definitely percentage concepts, it is very important. See, to start, before starting with your preparation of data analysis, you should know some basic concepts, right? Some basic shortcuts like multiplication shortcuts, and then fast addition and subtraction, percentage to fraction conversion, and fraction to percentage conversion. So these are the necessary shortcuts you should know before starting with your data analysis and sufficiency part, and even your mathematical skills part. Okay, so if you know the basic concepts of percentage, ratio, average, partnership, definitely you can crack the data analysis and sufficiency part only if you have practice. Even see, in the recent cases, in all the exams which we have analyzed, so out of 6 chart type questions, definitely one chart will be of very difficult. So you need to find out that question and you need to neglect that question in order to save your time. If you touch that question, definitely it will take more time and it will involve more calculations. The remaining 4 to 5 questions will be easy. So concentrate on those 4 to 5 questions to get your good marks in the upcoming September math examination. Okay.